Notice how the stress is intertwined with the tension and connected to restricted breathing. Breathing in now, feeling your body expanding. Breathe out, applying this comforting pressure. Feel the worries rise and then drift away. Breathe in and say, I acknowledge that I feel anxious. It's just a passing moment. The more I try to hide my stress, the more it causes tension. Let your breath flow naturally now, and just watch it. What does your breath want to do? And how is it behaving? If you notice your breath becomes stagnant or restricted, inhale very slowly and fully and say to yourself, I let this go. As you exhale, nice. Now one more big deep breath in. Let go of the pressure, but keep your hands here on your chest. Imagine that you are breathing in the power of relaxation. And exhale, feeling this heart point, which naturally releases anxiety from deep within you. Repeat this one more time, keeping your spine aligned. Inhale, life force. Exhale and release. Wonderful. Let your hands fall back down by your sides and become aware of your hands. Can you feel a gentle tingling sensation or a slight warmth beginning to grow in your hands? Noticing these sensations relaxes you, making you feel cozy